What is a Unity Enterprise user? A user refers to a person who will have access to Unity Enterprise, distinct from employees who will only have access to the point of sale within the Unity software. Creating users is a task that can only be performed within the admin node and thus requires a user with admin node access. To access the Users feature, simply navigate to the Organizations section, then the Users section. The displayed screen will show you all the users currently loaded on the organization. It will provide quick information, for example, username, first name, last name, contact number, as well as if the user is active or not. Need to make changes to a current user's profile? Click on the pencil icon next to the user details on the grid to enter the profile and make any changes as needed. Remember to save once changes have been made. Need to add a new user? To create a new user, simply select the plus icon at the top of the list. Complete the user's personal details, including their first name, last name, email address, as well as contact number. Ensure the active tick box is checked if they will be logging in. Next, navigate to the Organizations tab and click the plus sign to assign the organization, role, and default node. The role determines the user's security level within Enterprise, while the default role and node specify their initial access point. In the Authentication Settings tab, fill in the username that will be used for logging into Unity Enterprise. Once you've completed all the necessary information, click the Save button. An email will then be sent to the user to create their own unique password.